So I got a new Mishimoto radiator for my Dodge because you remember when I replaced it and I bought that one with a 10-year guarantee off eBay, and the first one went, I don't know, a couple months, and this one has crapped the bed. So I messaged him, told him it's leaking again on this same side. It's always the left header. You can see the blue here. The other day I got in it, sat out there and idled for quite a while. I got in it to go, and I had no heat coming out of the heater. And I thought, well, cow, that's weird. I took off down the road and I made it about a quarter mile, and boy, she started getting hot. So I hurried and turned around, come back, and there wasn't enough coolant in it. It had leaked that much out. So I messaged them, told them I needed another one, and they said, well, we're sorry, we're not going to give you another one because some customers just have continual failures, and so they weren't going to warranty it. So that 10-year warranty is useless, and that's a made in China piece of crap, obviously. So I did what everybody told me I should have done in the first place, to buy a Mishimoto. So I did. $800 radiator. Yeah, that looks like the man what I need. Very well packaged. Oh, okay, so it's got a drain plug, not a drain cock. I don't like that. I would really rather have had a drain cock. It's up there somewhere where you can't reach it. Clear up in here, right there, and it's gonna run antifreeze all over, down, get on the floor. Oh man, I can't even get my hand up in there to turn it. Oh jeez. Alright, I'm gonna have to go get a pair of pliers or something. This one was leaking on both headers. It comes out of where the tubes go in. What a piece of crap. Wish I'd have never bought it. But I thought when people said it's got a 10-year guarantee, they'd honor their guarantee, but apparently not. Nobody has any integrity anymore. None. So this is a honey to get in and out because of this windshield washer jug. It's just miserable. I need to tie that back, then I can get the new one in. Okay, how am I? What the hell happened here? That stupid fan shroud is just always in the way of getting that last little bit down here. Oh man, I Doesn't want to go over that. Where the holes are at. Gotta go over that way a bit, I think. That don't fit like a glove, but it fits. Now I gotta get that nasty lower hose on. He gone natty. He's a natty one. I'm gonna have to get mad and cuss here in a minute. I can see that. I can see that. Jeez Louise, come on, man. Come on. It just won't. There we go. Jeff wins again. Now if I can get the holt to the clamp, and that's always so big you can't get the pliers back on it. Come on. There we go. Alright, right there. That's where you gotta have it. Now run. It's not straight yet. Not straight. There we go. Right there. That's where it's gotta be. Yeah. I win eventually. Takes a while, but I win. Alright, Blaine Kessie for the win here. He sent me that antifreeze pump. Here she comes. Here she comes. I don't want to pull it out, but I don't want to overflow it either. I know what let's do. Let's put some of that in the overflow bottle first. How about that? How about that? We just put it in there first. And see how fast that fills that up. I need my light. I need my light. There it is, right down there. There's the level. Okay, the camera is only 15% battery. She's gonna die. Whoa, we're full. We're full in that, so assuming I got some in there and then I finished putting in the radiator, and then I should be able to add a little bit here. I'll show you how fast it comes out and run it all over. That's how fast she comes out. Just right. Not too fast. Not too slow. Blaine Kessie also sent me this light. He sent me 3 of them. He lives in Kansas. There's good people in Kansas. Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Illinois. They're everywhere. Us garbage people are everywhere. Dang garbage people. Dang garbage people anyway. How much we got left? Not much. Everywhere I went, I'd come back out and the pickup was hot and there'd be antifreeze all over the ground. So she was starting to leak pretty bad. Yep, sucking air. We're done. So the cool thing about this pump is it leaves the crap that settled out on the bottom. It ain't gonna get it all. We'll throw that away. But we'll dispose of it properly first. I didn't mean throw it away, just properly. Alright, there's nothing pouring out on the ground yet. Got it full of antifreeze. Let's see what it does. Alright, I'd call that an $800 win, wouldn't you? At least $800. What have I got here? I got receipts. Everywhere you go, receipts, Napa Auto Parts. Oh, I put a new Fleet Guard AF 4189 air filter in it too. For more performance, Jpaydirt wins. I'm supposed to have a license plate on the front in Idaho. Utah just passed legislation to get rid of theirs. So it's like, where am I going to put it? Huh? Where? And it's like, why do we need front license plates? Somebody said, oh, the toll readers and stuff can't read them. Bull crap. I went through Colorado and Oklahoma, and I got a bill for the toll roads. So they can read the back of it, back end license plate. Now, if you didn't have any plates on, yeah, you'd be in trouble. Don't know how they'd find you, but they would. They'd get their $2.35 out of you.